Alrighty, looks like we got another birdie here. You want to get it? Pretty cool. Alright. That's not going to be it for the day. Alright, so that was it for that day. We're calling this a dead man based upon the book. Nice little point. Got the broken ear up here. Otherwise it's whole. Nice little guy. So, and Dean found this today. Rose quartz. Stemmed point. If it ever had ears, they were reworked and gone, because I've looked at it under a 10-by loop and there's no break points on it. And it's definitely a nice little translucent piece. And that's it for the day.